Okay, hello and welcome to the demo. I have two demos. This first one is the FIL message observer. Let's talk about messages a little bit. Messages are central to Filecoin. They are sent to transfer value and invoke methods on actors. So what happens is Lotus nodes gossip these messages to each other over libp2p gossip sub. What I'm trying to do is build a way of listening in on those gossip sub messages to reap some analytics from them and find out who's on the network, what they're doing, how long it's taking to disseminate these messages, etc. etc., etc. Instead of running a fully fledged Lotus node, I'm just going to run a little P2P node. It's easier to deploy. It needs less resources. There's less maintenance. No need to have to upgrade at the same time as Lotus. And for bonus points, it can run in the browser. So let's take a look at the demo. Woo! Whoa! Okay, let's see if we get any pops up messages. Yeah, here we go. Okay, wait. Let's have a look. We started a libp2p node. It's subscribed to the mainnet topic for messages. It's at testnet net. How fun is that? It dialed one of the bootstrap nodes. Failed that one. It tried to dial a different one. It connected to that one. And then what happens is you get sent a hello message with what that node believes to be the heaviest tip set and the current chain height. We can have a look at Philfox for the current height. So we got 474, 576, 575. That was pretty close. Then what happens is we send a latency message back to the bootstrapper, and then we start receiving the messages. So this is from this peer. They sent us this message that they got, which is to a particular node. So these are actually mainnet messages that are being sent right now with all of these params and method numbers and values that are being transferred. So rad, we got loads of them. And welcome to the second of two demos. This is the Evaluactor. It's a clever amalgamation of evaluation and actor. So this is the Evaluactor. Let's talk about actors because you might not know. Let's talk about the Lotus VM or the Filecoin VM in general. In the VM, there are actors. You have like multi-sig actor, minor actor, account actors. There's more. This isn't all of them, but each one of these actors has methods that can be invoked on them, and those methods are numbered. So the multi-sig actor in this diagram has 3 methods that can be invoked. The account actor 2, and they're different numbers. So what happens is when a message comes in, it has a to, a from address. The to address identifies the actor that it's going to go to, and like a value, but aside from that, the message can also have a method number to invoke and some parameters, which is just some bytes that get passed. And then what happens is that the VM executes that message and sends that message to the correct actor and calls the methods that's asked to be called, passing the parameters in, and the actor executes that method and returns the result. So what have I done? I created a new actor called the Evaluactor actor, and here it is. It's now in the Lotus VM. So when a message comes into the Evaluactor actor, it's at address F097. It's a singleton actor. It's from someone. It's got some value, but here we go. We've got a method. There's a method number 2. Method 2 is the eval method, and what that does is it evaluates some script. The params in this case are an array of bytes that are actually some Lua code. Holy moly! Okay, and so what happens is this actor gets that message and it executes the Lua code and returns the result. Or you use a FIL module to return to return the result, but also I've got some runtime methods exposed in there, like being able to get the caller or being able to get the value that was transferred to you in the message. So that's kind of cool. Let's have a look at the demo. Here we go. So let's run this one. Will it run? Okay, great. What happened here? So we've got some Lua code. This is just printed out the Lua code that I have here. So this is requiring that FIL module, but we've defined a function called max, and it will figure out what the maximum of 2 numbers is, and then return the maximum number. So I guess the result is expected to be the number 6 here. So what actually happens is that this to test this whole thing out, I created this actor, and I've actually used test vectors to generate some state where this actor is in the state tree, and now I've got hold of the VM from Lotus, and I've set it up, and I'm actually executing a message, which is sending some Lua code to this actor from another actor, and so that's the message that was executed, and this is the receipt. So this is what happened. We got an exit code OK. Our return value is very short, but that's some bytes, and blah blah blah, 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 gas charges, all that stuff. And then what we're doing is we're printing out this return value after we've CBOR decoded it. And the result is the number 6 as we expected. So